12, almost 12:30 a.m.
That was a delay.
Where are we headed?
Ding-a-lings.
Yeah, more to come. We finally get to eat. Where are we at?
Corn on the corner.
Corn on the corner. All right, let's eat. We made it to the D. Where are we at?
In the elevator.
Which hotel?
The world's biggest hotel. Holiday.
What, 24 hours here? That the front desk said?
Wi-Fi?
No, coffee. World's best. It's supposed to say like
coffee. Oh my god, I like it. Galore. All the dates. Stride dates, fresh dates. Ambassador Bridge.
Ambassador Bridge. That side is Canada.
Yep.
We're right in downtown Detroit.
Out here being touristy. Being foodies.
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice and warm?
One second. Best brisket in Detroit.
Brisket.
Oh.